Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about speed, power, and pure performance. We're counting down the top 10 fastest cars in the world. These machines are not just fast, they're works of engineering art. So buckle up, because things are about to get wild. So let's get started. Here are the top 10 fastest cars in the world. And we start with an absolute powerhouse in 10th place. In 10th place, we have the Rimac Nevera, a fully electric hypercar from Croatia, with an incredible output of almost 2,000 GP and an acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 1.85 seconds. This car is a real beast. And best of all, with a speed of 412 kilometers per h, the Nevera proves that electric cars can not only be environmentally friendly, but also extremely fast. In 9th place, we have the McLaren Speedtail, a true work of aerodynamics. With a top speed of 403 kilometers per h, the Speedtail is the fastest car McLaren has ever built. Its hybrid drive delivers 1,070 GP, and the futuristic design is rather reminiscent of a spaceship than a conventional car. It sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.9 seconds. A real symbol of luxury and speed. Eighth place belongs to the Koenigsegg Regra, a masterpiece of Swedish engineering. With 1,500 GP and a top speed of 410 kilometers per h, the Regra is a true powerhouse. Particularly impressive is the direct drive system, which does not require a traditional transmission and brings the power directly to the road. It catapults itself from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.8 seconds. A real super sports car. In 7th place is a real icon, the Bugatti Veyron Supersport. With a top speed of 431 kilometers per h, the Veyron long held the record as the fastest production vehicle in the world. This behemoth is powered by an 8.0-liter W16 engine with 4 turbochargers, producing an incredible 1,200 GP. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.5 seconds. A milestone in automotive history that made Bugatti famous worldwide. In 6th place, we have the SSC Tuatara, which is causing a lot of controversy. The manufacturer claims it has a top speed of 455 kilometers per h, but this figure has been disputed. Either way, the Tuatara is undoubtedly one of the fastest and most impressive supercars in the world. With a V8 biturbo engine and 1,750 GP, it flies from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.5 seconds. Whether it can actually reach 455 kilometers per h or not, the Tuatara definitely belongs on this list. At number 5, we have the Hennessy Venom F5, a supercar from the USA that has made a name for itself by targeting the 500 kilometers per h mark. With a 6.6-liter V8 biturbo engine and 1,817 GP, this Venom F5 has the potential to be a speed monster. It sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in 2.6 seconds and aims for a theoretical top speed of 484 kilometers per h. That would be truly breathtaking. Climb into the absolute Olympics of speed with this car. Next on our list is the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+. This masterpiece of engineering was the first production vehicle to break the magical 300 miles per hour barrier. That's around 490 kilometers per h. The 8.0-liter W16 engine delivers 1,600 GP, and the Chiron accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.4 seconds. Priced at 3.5 million euros, it is not only incredibly fast, but also extremely exclusive. A real record breaker. In third place is the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute, a car designed to achieve the fastest top speed ever. The Swedish manufacturer claims that this monster could theoretically reach 531 kilometers per h. With 1,600 horsepower from a 5.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, the Jesko Absolute is optimized for extremely high speeds, especially due to its aerodynamic shape. Although the speed has not yet been officially tested, the Jesko Absolute is considered one of the biggest contenders for the speed record. The Bugatti Bolide is number 2 on our list and is a real monster made for the track. It has a theoretical top speed of 499 kilometers per h powered by an 8.0-liter W16 engine that produces an incredible 1,850. The Bolide is specially optimized for lightweight construction and aerodynamics and can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 2.17 seconds. With a price of around 4 million euros, the Bolide is one of the most exclusive and extreme cars that have ever been built. At number 1 is the Devil 16, probably the most extreme car ever developed. With an incredible theoretical top speed of 560 kilometers per h and an absolutely crazy power output of 5,007 GP, the Devil 16 is an absolute game changer in the world of super sports cars. Its 12.3-liter V16 engine makes it a real monster on 4 wheels. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per h is said to be possible in under 1.8 seconds. Figures that are difficult to grasp is currently only theoretical. The Devil 16 remains the most ambitious project in the history of the automotive industry. That was our list of the top 10 fastest cars in the world. These vehicles are not only incredibly fast, but also true works of engineering. Which of these cars is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay tuned.